Hello pretty geeks and welcome to a SketchBox unboxing. I've been holding on to this one for just a couple of days because I haven't been feeling well, but I have been given a small pharmacy and I'm ready to see what's inside. Now, if you remember my last unboxing, you know that I said I was taking a pause from these, and I was going to. But then I got a spoiler that pan pastels were coming, and what is terrible of me, actually, I accidentally ordered two, so it can't be that terrible of me. Also, I'm going to bring some of them over to the shelter where I work / volunteer, and we're going to use them for art therapy, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, now I have one for me and one for sharing, which is really exciting. And it looks like instead of a card, we've got like a little pamphlet sort of thing this time, and we have some information about a giveaway. So I'm super excited for that. I'm going to try to enter to win. I hope you do too, and if you get it, tell me about it. You can enter to win a 20-piece pan pastel set, and we're going to learn about pan pastels. There's also a little bit of information about the acrylic paint box. This isn't one of their normal monthly subscriptions, but it's like a one-off subscription, and it is really cool. Not sponsored or anything, I'm just telling you about it. It is all about landscape paintings. It includes these 8 colors of golden acrylics and like decent sized little bottles, and I love those. I love those kind of paints actually. And it also includes 3 surfaces, a mechanical pencil, some different item. I think there are some other items that they're not telling us about too, and 2 brushes. I really want to grab it. Right now it is on sale for $60, and it's like $105 value. So I'm thinking about it. It seems a little steep for right now for me, but I don't know. I love those boxes. They have a couple different special edition boxes like that. Oh, they also include a video. I think it's like 15 minutes long. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, definitely check out the shopsketch.com. They have other ones too. They have one that is watercolor portraiture that I've been thinking about, mostly because I want to see how they do that. That technique. I love watercolor portraits. They're absolutely beautiful, and that one comes with 23 colors, which I think is just absolutely amazing. It's got specialty paper. It's really cool. So that one I'm thinking about too. It's another one that is $59. But yeah, anyway, if you're interested in like special edition boxes, they have some, and they have some new ones. So let's jump in for it now. We've got a custom set of pan pastels. I'm so excited for these. They're definitely not some of the ones that I would have picked offhand, which I think I'm doubly excited for, because I think SketchBox is good for breaking us free of those sort of things. So this one is magenta, and it should be 430.5. A really beautiful magenta. It's a little bit darker than I would have considered to be magenta, but it's showing up really beautifully on camera. And I love that they are in like these cool stackables. We have a violet, 470.5. Showing up a little bit more blue on camera than I'm seeing it live, but it might also be some of the lighting changes. I didn't screw that in well. And come on. Oh, come on. There we go. Our last one is Burnt Sienna Tint, 740.8. And this one is actually a little tiny more pigmented in person. It's coming up very flash of white. It looks a bit like the powder I use on my face at the moment, which is kind of funny. So yeah, they come in not with their separate lids, but as a full unique set, and the base has some soft tools. So the retail price for these are $24.87. It has this little you know, the old school makeup sponges. And speaking of old school makeup sponge, this is so reminiscent of that, but it's a lot more dense and cushy. They sell different shapes of these in bulk at Five Below though, and they work great. So we got some really cool shape here. I love this one as well. I like the smooth wedge to it. So you've got that as well. And they fit right in here with a little bit of force. And the base screws in, which is really heckin' cool. And here is our gorgeous art print for the month. I'm so excited to put this up on the wall. This one's gonna live in the living room. And it is made by Alex Louisa. She's based near Brisbane, Australia, and works mainly with oils, pan pastel, and watercolor, but also loves to experiment with new materials. Having worked as a graphic artist for 8 years, she now focuses solely on her personal work. It focuses on elements of the natural world, some things that grab her attention, but between that intensity of that intricately rendering the bird's feathers or mouse pattern wings in this case. Setting light and shadows through still life or landscapes is also an area of focus. She's exhibited in the US and Australia and teaches workshops to pass on her love of materials. And there we go. That's her socials. So check her out. These are absolutely gorgeous. We've got a cute little SketchBox sticker. The pan pastels popping out. Oh, we have a soft applicator. So these are $1.45. No, sorry, $8.35 each. So they are reusable, artist quality. And we have some refills to make color changes really fast and easy. Beautiful. So just swipe them across the pan pastels. Make sure you're not digging into it. It's not a scoop. Paper here. There we go. All right. These ones are $1.45 each. We got gold fiber color pencils. I love these color pencils. They're so beautiful. We have 132, which is beige red. Again, it's like the pinky tones of my skin. Like, oh my gosh, exactly. And we have 123, which is fuchsia. So a really beautiful, bright. I feel like this set I can almost do a portrait with. This is madness. Definitely not what they were planning for it, but possibility. And last but not least, we have the Art Spectrum Color Fix Pastel Paper in this really cool size. It's 4 inches by 9 inches. It's a 230-pound paper, and we've got 6 sheets of it. This is stunning. It feels like a thick but fine sandpaper, like you know that end stage where you buff the wood but still got that scratchiness. That feels so cool. Let's get the wubba wubba. Beautiful. So it's got a nice light too, is what my point was I was going through. It's great for getting pastels to adhere. You get some really great blends with them. You can also use pencil with them and charcoal. So yeah, I absolutely love that. So I think I'll use these as well as a traditional paper to do my swatching. But that's everything that has come into this box this time. These are an example of what comes in the premium box, which is $35 a month, or you can do $100 for every 3 months, $180 for every 6, or $350 for every 12. I believe I had a coupon, so I did 3 months this time. Yeah, and I'm excited, and I hope everyone in my group really likes it too. I'm really excited. That's all I have for you guys. I love you so much. Bye.